Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Savvy Navvy app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Savvy Navvy is a boating navigation app designed to help sailors, cruisers, and water enthusiasts plan safe and efficient trips. The app combines multiple tools in one place, including GPS navigation, route planning, weather forecasts, tidal data, marina details, and offline charts. It also provides real-time weather overlays and an intuitive interface that makes navigation easier for both beginners and experienced sailors. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is widely appreciated for its accuracy in weather and tide data, as well as its ability to simplify trip planning by giving clear and safe routes. Many users also find the offline maps and integration of multiple tools in one app very convenient, removing the need to juggle several separate apps while out at sea. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Full access requires a paid subscription, which may not be affordable for everyone. Some users have reported occasional issues with GPS syncing, and while the charts are detailed, coverage in certain remote areas may be limited. The app is also more useful for those who sail regularly rather than casual boaters. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Savvy Navvy app may be worth using if you're a boater looking for an all-in-one digital navigation companion with accurate routes, weather, and tides. It shines in convenience, design, and offline usability. However, if you're not ready to pay for premium features or only sail occasionally, it might not be the best value for your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.